Okay, so this is the hood latch, and it goes this way is up, bolt, bolt, nut. They come off, they come out, they come out. This bolts in. Now, right down in there, you see that horseshoe looking thing? The end of the cable that's in the front of the car, and I'll leave it hanging down so you can see it. There's a plastic jacket on the end of the cable, and then there's a plastic knob on the end of the steel cable itself. The plastic knob with the wire goes through that space, and then the plastic knob hooks through. It's hard to see, I'm sorry. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. But there's a slot on that, almost like a shiny, just to the right, just underneath the first joint of my thumb. That cable, you have to wiggle it through. That slot is not straight, it's kind of hooked, or a Z shape, so that you have to feed that cable and then press it down in through that. And then that plastic shoulder, the plastic piece that's on the outside of the cable, hooks through that. You put it in through that open end and slide it up in through that slot. And that's with this thing bolted in place. Or you can put the cable in, probably easier doing it that way. Put the cable in it, get it all set up, and then put this up into place after you take that bolt, and that nut off. You'll see the holes that it slides through. I'll go show you that right now. Hole.